What's up, y'all? Princess Rochelle here, and I'm back in your cup with another video. So today I'm gonna be doing a phone case unboxing for my iPhone 6s Plus. That's what I have. If y'all want me to do a what's on my iPhone video, just comment that down below. And let's pretend that it's closed. I'm not gonna show you this part, but so this is the box information. My mom already opened it because she had to get her phone case because I ordered two, one for me and for her. So let's pretend this is closed too. So this is when you see the case. If you guys want the link, I'll put it in the description. So when you take it out, this is what you see. This video is gonna be so short, bro. But this is the case. This is really soft. It's so soft. But if this was just a case by itself, my phone would like slide out. This it's cute. I should have got the pineapple one. But yeah, so it comes, it's called ULAC N. I don't know, but I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like in a mirror. So guys, here's the case. I think it looks real cute. It looks really cute, and it fits my phone perfectly. I'm not sure about like if it falls or nothing like that, but it's super cute. Yeah, let me show you the front of it. Here's the front part of it. Oh, it's so cool. You can see the effect in the mirror. But yeah, this is the front. It's not like that protective, cause like this is like barely covering the front of the phone. But I don't drop my phone that much, so I think I'm good. It gives you access to all the ports inside. Like over here, the headphone jack, the charger, and then the speaker. But overall, I think this is really cute. It's protected in the back, not the front. So I already have a screen protector on my phone though, so I'm all good in case it cracks. I didn't know this is my spec case that I use at the moment. My friend got it for me on my birthday. Well, her mom bought her the accidental phone case because she has a 6S, but I have the 6S Plus. And so she just gave it to me. This is the box it came in. With all this stuff inside too, so yeah, this case is really good and protective. Like, but it doesn't like go around the phone. So if you drop it, your phone might crack, it might not crack. My screen protector has a little like crack, like not like a crack, but it's like a scratch that goes on across the screen like this. But yeah, so that was my hair. This case is really protective, and I was looking for some, but like, yeah. So this is a really good case, and the case I'm using right now, this case is not that different from other ones. I mean, it's protective in the back again, but like in the front, not so much. Yeah. So the case comes in 2 pieces. It's not just one. This looks, but it looks really cute. I thought it would be like different, like my ice cream case, but nah, it was nothing like that. But this is for iPhone 6s Plus only. It wouldn't fit the 7 Plus because this is too small, and the 7 Plus doesn't have a headphone jack. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and have a good day. Bye.
I want you to see it. Order up 10 bottles, bitch, we bout to get lit. Your bitch, she might get hit her with